Hi, I'm Danielle from Aerial Boots. I'm just going to do a video showing off our products just so you can get a better idea of what the boot is actually like. So I've got a suede boot here and a leather boot here. These are both made from cowhide. I've also done boots in calf, lamb, goat, but I find that cowhide is definitely the best for aerial boots. If you can see here, we use 3-inch elastic to join the boot around the arch of the foot. This then encases the ankle, shins, right up to the calf. I'm going to show you how to put them on and lace them. There's a tongue sewn in one side of the boot, and you put this inside the boot before you lace them up. I'm going to use a purple pair of laces just so that you can see clearly. Bear in mind, these boots weren't made for this mannequin, so they won't be the exact size. This is a small size though. So I've gone in at the bottom and I'm just going to cross them over and go from outside to inside all the way up. Making sure that the laces don't twist because that won't look very good. The last one, it's going to be better to put the laces from the inside to the outside before you lace them up. It's just going to hold them better. So you can see I've done outside to inside all the way up. And this means that you can tighten them easily. Now when taking the boot off, I think it's better if you just take the first 3 out, and then if you leave the last 2 in but loosen them quite a lot, you should be able to just slip the gaiter off the foot, so that next time you put them on they'll already be partly laced up.